This is our project titled the Green Hub. We have identified the trend of countries becoming more concerned about the environment as they become more developed and affluent. Therefore, we anticipate countries all over the world to demand green technologies several years down the road. We want to capture these markets. In order to meet the task requirements of reducing greenhouse gas emissions, as well as to strengthen the economy, we propose an action plan that would develop Singapore into a regional green technology hub. This hub would be established in time to meet the demand for green technologies from other countries. This is our action plan. We have adopted a four-pronged approach to tackling greenhouse gas emissions. We will be targeting namely the transportation, residential, commercial and industrial sectors.
Our marketing strategy is to implement the plan in phases so as to allow the general public to have some time to accept such green strategy. We intend to invest $150 million in research and development. For the first 3 years, for the commercial sector, we will be promoting Energy Smart Building Scheme, which awards buildings or offices that has environmental friendly designs such as usage of natural lightings. Such smart or green buildings are feasible as it is possible to build them at a much lower cost than conventional buildings. For the transport system, we will also be promoting the use of biodiesel. And Singapore will be playing host to a new biodiesel manufacturing plant that manufacture cheaper and cleaner biodiesel. For the residential sector, we will be focusing on implementing a composer system in HDB blocks that will convert methane releasing waste into non-pollutive compost. For the industries, we will research on cheaper biofuel and a plant that is capable of recycling waste gases collected from factories in Singapore. We expect to have a significant breakthrough by the 8th year. Singapore would by then be established as a green hub. In addition, we aim to collaborate with the United Nations to come up with a certification which recognizes countries that have made significant effort in reducing greenhouse gases emission.
This is our financial information. Our investment in R&D will total $150 million in 10 years. Part of it will be forked out by the government, the other part by private companies. We have set aside $15 million for incentives for using cleaner hybrid and LPG cars. Incentives for biodiesels are not necessary as there is a biodiesel already available in the market that is cheaper than the normal diesel. Therefore, our total expenditure for this action plan is $165 million. However, this amount will be more than covered by the estimated revenue generated through the export of technologies and inflow of investments as shown on the slide. In conclusion, we hope that by the year 2016, the emissions of greenhouse gases in Singapore will be significantly reduced by 25%. Thank you.